SERV Stock Analysis, a Friday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With SERV Robotics, we're sitting at $14 this post market. We're 2% down for Thursday's performance. Observing SERV is I genuinely still am trying to take it higher. Like, in other words, I would not be buying here unless the price gives me a double break. And we have new data, so let's move to the 5-minute chart. Okay, a pretty decent movement that I would like to see is this second break above this high, because if that starts happening, okay, then I'm pulling this thing up. But if it does not, you know, I'm just still going to be a waiting sign. There's two things that can happen. We either start breaking below this low or below above that high. And the thing in between is just a no man's land, so I'll be waiting. And just for context, all I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered with 1,000 square predictions. If you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one.